Hi, I'm Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to make sections in Dreamweaver. Now, section is just another word for a div or a container or a wrapper. You can call it whatever you want. So the way to make a div or a section in Dreamweaver is, well, why don't I just show you? Just come on here, and so you see that I have Dreamweaver open, and I have it split so you can see the code on top and what you're doing on the bottom. So if I put this as body, it'll show up on top. So if you want to create a div, go to your right hand side and search for the div layout, insert div tag right here. It'll ask you for your class. You can put section, and you don't really need to put ID. You click a new CSS rule, and these will be applied to all the div files with the class section. You press OK, and you could just put whatever the rules you want, like for instance the box rules, the letter spacing, the border rules. For instance, you could put a dotted border, and press OK, and you should now have a div with a section as the class. And that is how you create sections in Dreamweaver. I'm Omar, and I hope you enjoy the video. Have a good day.